I chose the program EMT here at EHOVE because I want to be an EMT and eventually a paramedic. Students that enter the EMT program at EHOVE will learn basic life support, so CPR and using an AED, and they'll learn how to operate in an ambulance.
Over here is our medical simulator. We can practice our skills in here.
You can work in private EMS, or if you're in fire as well, you can work in a fire department as a fire EMT.
I'm sitting here using the BVM to rescue the patient.
The faculty for the EMT program has been excellent. They are all willing to help you.
This is one of my instructors. Hey!
If you have any questions, the instructors are great. They're very informative and give you a lot of insight of what the world is like out there in the field. The programs are great. Everyone will work with you and you'll get all the information you need in training to work out in the world with whatever you decide to train for. You should come to EHOVE to learn new skills. Your future, your career at EHOVE.